Is it safe to wash white clothes and blue clothes together?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether it's safe to wash white clothes and blue clothes together. Many of us have faced this dilemma before, wondering if our white clothes will end up stained or our blue clothes will fade. So let's dive right in and find out the answer.
Understanding the risk.
When considering washing white clothes and blue clothes together, it's essential to understand the potential risks involved. The primary concern is color bleeding, where the dye from one garment transfers onto another. Blue clothes, particularly dark or vibrant shades, have a higher likelihood of bleeding compared to lighter colored items. This bleeding can lead to unwanted discoloration or staining on your white garments.
Sorting and preparing the laundry.
To minimize the risk of color bleeding, it's crucial to sort your laundry properly before washing. Start by separating your white clothes from your blue clothes. Sorting by color is the key here. This will help prevent any accidental color transfer and preserve the appearance of your white garments. Additionally, consider separating clothes based on their fabric type, weight, and care instructions. Some fabrics may require special treatment, and mixing heavy and lightweight garments can cause uneven washing or damage. Follow the garment care labels to ensure you're treating each item appropriately.
Test for colorfastness.
Before throwing your white and blue clothes into the washing machine together, it's a good idea to perform a colorfastness test. Take a small, inconspicuous area of the blue garment and dampen it with water. Then, press a white cloth or paper towel against the damp spot and see if any color transfers onto the white material. If you notice significant color bleeding during this test, it's best to wash the blue garment separately to avoid any mishaps.
Temperature and detergent considerations.
The temperature at which you wash your clothes can also influence color bleeding. Washing in cold water helps reduce the risk of dye transfer. Cold water is less likely to cause color bleeding compared to hot water, which can loosen the dye and make it more prone to bleeding onto other fabrics. Furthermore, selecting an appropriate detergent is essential. Look for detergents that are specifically designed for colors. These detergents typically contain ingredients that help prevent color bleeding and fading. Avoid using bleach or any harsh chemicals that could potentially damage your clothes.
Additional tips and final thoughts.
To summarize, washing white clothes and blue clothes together can be safe if you take proper precautions. Remember to sort your laundry by color, fabric type, weight, and care instructions. Perform a colorfastness test to check for potential color bleeding. Use cold water to minimize the risk of dye transfer. Select a detergent specifically formulated for colors. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure that your white clothes stay white and your blue clothes retain their vibrant hues. That brings us to the end of today's video. We've learned that with careful sorting, testing, and the right washing techniques, it is generally safe to wash white clothes and blue clothes together. Remember to be mindful of the risks and take the necessary precautions to maintain the quality and appearance of your garments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.